everyone, welcome and thank you for watching this video. As most of you know, in my previous vlog, I shared that my husband and I relocated to another country. In this video, I'll take you along on that journey, and by the end, I'll reveal where we moved, so stick around till the end to find out. Our journey started 2 days before our flight. We packed up everything from the place we called home for years and began the process of saying goodbye. It was bittersweet seeing the house empty, knowing this chapter of our lives was coming to an end. After packing up, we stayed in a hotel for a couple of nights, which gave us a chance to catch our breath and prepare for the long trip ahead. On the day of the flight, we made our way to the airport. The process of checking in and clearing immigration went smoothly, but walking through the airport, knowing this was goodbye, was emotional. Leaving behind the city we had grown so familiar with, where so many memories were made, wasn't easy. It wasn't easy at all. The flight itself was about 10 hours long. We were served some simple but decent meals to keep us going. Most of the time was spent reflecting on everything we were leaving behind and what was waiting for us in the new chapter. And we also slept for a while. When we landed, the immigration procedures were straightforward and surprisingly welcoming. Or, no, not surprisingly, actually, we were expecting this country to be so welcoming. And now for the big reveal. As most of you already know it by now, we moved to Canada. It is a place we've been dreaming of for a while, and we're so excited to start this new chapter here. Thank you for coming along on this journey with us. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you've enjoyed this video. I'd love to hear about your own experiences with moving or starting fresh in a new place. and I would love to see your questions and anything you have in mind in the comment section. Feel free to ask me anything you want. And until next time, take care.